Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make seafood bucket. It's a mix of vegetables and seafood cooked in Indian spices and served on a bed of rice. To make this dish, we need some crab, prawns, squid and mussel. Come with me, let's go to the fish market to get some fresh seafood and vegetables. This is really a delightful treat and I hope you all will find this vlog useful. Now let's get started. Now let's go to Sharjah fish market. It's just 10 minutes drive from my place. This is Sharjah Cornish and there's not much traffic on the road. Here in the Cornish, people stay till midnight with their families and there's lots of entertainment and rides for the kids. Look at the Cornish, it's so beautiful and clean and they maintain it so well. As you can see, there's lots of ships and boats docked here and they have put lots of seats. You can sit there and watch all day long and enjoy. We reached our destination. This is Souk Al Jubail Sharjah fish market. Wow, look how huge it is. This is the car parking. They open at 6:30 a.m. and close at 10:30 p.m. especially on Fridays, closed for Friday prayers from 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. This place looks like a mall, doesn't it? But this is the fish market. Let's go inside and see what's available in here. As soon as you enter, towards your right, there's meat section. There you have different kinds of meat like chicken, lamb, beef and camel. And towards your left, you get fresh vegetables and fruits. They have huge varieties in all departments. See how well they are maintaining this market, so clean and hygienic. Next to the meat is the fish section. Let's go inside. Look at the place, how huge and clean it is. And I couldn't smell any fishy smell. Let's buy some crabs here. It's nice and big. Let's buy some jumbo prawns here. Here you get varieties of marinated fish ready to use and cutlets as well. After weighing your fish, they'll give you a bill. You have to pay here in this counter. Then show this bill to collect your fish. Here in this department, they clean fish. You have to pay for it. Since it's a long queue, I don't want to give it here. I'll clean it by myself. They have a facility here. They cook and grill for you. Here you get dry fish. Everything is clean and well packed. Now let's go to the fruits and vegetables section. Here everything is fresh, fruits, vegetables and greens. As we go towards the entrance, there they sell organic honey. Whenever I come here, I pick up some. You get in different flavors and it is pure. Just have a look. The honey jars are so clean and well maintained. We are done. Now let's go home. Look at this. This is not the end of the market. It's so huge. Let's drive back home. This time we'll drive through the city. Towards the right, the dome-shaped building is Sharjah Gold Souk. We are almost there, reached our place. Let's clean our seafood. First goes crab. Remove the shell and break the legs towards the end, which is flappy. And remove the spongy texture which is on the body on both sides. Wash it thoroughly and put it in a sea for the water to drain out. Now let's clean the shrimps. Remove the head and cut the shell on top to remove the vein. Use a toothpick, it will be easy for you to remove the vein. Since it's a seafood dish, I'm going to cook it with the shell. The flavor will be amazing. Wash it well and drain out the water completely. To clean the mussel, just rinse it. If there is any seaweed or anything, just remove it. To clean the squid, first rinse it, then cut into bite-sized pieces. It will be easy for you to wash inside. I'm using 2 sweet corn. Just remove the outer layer and the long fibers. I'm adding potatoes, so 3 red potatoes. Any potato is fine. Ingredients to make seafood bucket. Into a blender, add these 4 ingredients and grind this into a fine paste and keep it aside. Let's steam potato and corn in a steamer, or you can use a idli steamer. Now this is done, set it aside. In a large pan, add oil. This recipe needs extra oil, so 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 bay leaves. Saute this for 10 seconds. Now add the ground paste. Cook this for a minute. To this, add a tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. It has less spice and gives intense color to your dish. Mix well, cover and cook for 2 minutes on a medium heat. As you can see, the oil is started to separate and the raw flavor is gone. Just give it a quick mix and add the crabs. Make sure the crabs are coated well with the spices. Add a seafood one by one. Now let's add mussel. Add 2 cups of water. Give a mix. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on a medium heat. In this stage, let's add the rest of the seafood and the vegetables. Water will ooze out from the seafood, so no need to add extra water. This is sufficient to cook this dish. Now reduce the flame medium to low and simmer it for 7 to 8 minutes. We did not add extra water. This is from the seafood. This is done. Now turn off the flame. Finally add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Add a teaspoon of black pepper powder and mix well. This is how they serve here in the restaurants. Place some banana leaves and spread the rice on top. And then transfer the seafood gravy into a bucket and pour it on top like this. The crab is nice and juicy. I'll break and show you. Everything is cooked perfectly. Look at the shrimp. Try this seafood bucket. It's full of flavor and it's incredibly delicious. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment, and share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.